Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps of adding a legacy contact for your Apple ID. This feature, introduced in iOS 15.2, iPadOS 15.2, and macOS 12.1, allows you to designate someone you trust to access your Apple account data after your passing. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding legacy contacts. Before we begin, let's understand what legacy contacts are. They can access your data, excluding certain sensitive information, for 3 years after the initial approval. To request access after your passing, they'll need the access key you generate when choosing them and your death certificate. Step 2. Prerequisites. Before adding a legacy contact, ensure you have an Apple device running latest iOS or iOS 15.2 or above, iPadOS 15.2 or above, or macOS Monterey 12.1 or above, with two-factor authentication turned on. You must also be over the age of 13. Your legacy contact can be anyone, of any age, without an Apple ID or device. Step 3. Adding a legacy contact to iOS devices. Go to Settings, then tap your name. Tap Sign In and Security, then tap Legacy Contact. Tap Add Legacy Contact. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode.
Let me check my phone.
Step 4. Adding a legacy contact, Mac. Choose Apple Menu System Settings, then click Apple ID. Click Sign In and Security, then click Legacy Contact. Click Add Legacy Contact. Authenticate with Touch ID or your Mac login password. Step 5. In a family sharing group. If you're in a family sharing group, you can choose a member or add someone else using their phone number or email. Remember, the access key is crucial for legacy contact access. Step 6. Share the access key. The access key is vital for your legacy contact. Notify them via messages for automatic storage or ask them to update their device. You can also print, send a PDF, or screenshot the access key for physical sharing. Step 7. Remove a legacy contact. You can remove a legacy contact at any time. On iOS, go to Settings, Your Name, Sign In and Security. On Mac, choose Apple Menu System Settings, then click Apple ID and select Sign In and Security. And there you have it! Adding a legacy contact for your Apple ID is a thoughtful way to secure your digital legacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and take care.